Hello friends, today I am back with a new video again on a new module of Veena Pro ERP system. First of all, I would like to request you please subscribe our YouTube channel if you are watching my video for the first time and press the bell icon to get instant updates. Thank you. Today I am here to discuss on the production management system module of our Veena Pro ERP. Managing input costs, global competition, the fluctuating cost of raw materials, outsourced or extended supply chain, the availability of skilled labor, all are common challenges typical to the production environment. So now I have discussed what the challenges which are facing the production environment. Okay, now the volatility of the current business climate has forced the production environment to prioritize flexibility and customer fulfillment. The journey to world-class production performance calls for manufacturers to consider how their practice and processes need to change to support continuous product improvement and cost reduction. So, here what I am talking about, I think you got to know, right? You got to know that. That is, I am talking about the production improvement and how the cost can be reduced for the flexibility of the business. Okay, so here I have come with a new module from the Veena Pro ERP which will help you to reduce the cost and it will improve the production of your company. Okay, so let us discuss about the new module. Veena Pro ERP the enterprise resource planning streamlines and integrates all the resources required to produce goods and services. With full visibility and control over operations, manufacturers can effectively manage and optimize these resources to meet customer-driven deadlines promptly. Configure products to order, manage inventory more effectively, and run the shop floor more efficiently. Get anywhere, anytime access to job-focused screens. Veena Pro ERP has user-based roles which simplify your view of manufacturing production processes. Plant floor workers using a tablet or smartphone can update job status without leaving their workstation. See how this module is very helpful. Without your leaving the job station, you can update your job status. And next we can also have the managers can also use this in a very appropriate way. That is, manager can create or issue change orders without leaving their office or even coming into the office. Okay, so you can understand this module is helpful to any of the I can say that any of the person in the company at any point they can maintain it from any point of the world. Okay, now for more productivity, be more productive even if you wear a lot of different hats. So because no matter what you do, there is a screen for that. Okay, so what the work you want to do, it doesn't matter. So for every work it has a different phase. Okay, it has a different what we call that screen. Okay, no matter what a work you want to do. Okay, so for every work in this production management there is a screen. Okay, and it will be in your hands only. So I want to tell you something about this module. So Veena Pro ERP provides a fully integrated set of tools to help you plan, execute, record, track and control your output. Our outstanding flexibility provides visibility throughout the production supply chain, from suppliers along production process through to customers, and is also able to integrate with other systems in the production environment. Keep your fingers on the pulse of plant floor activity with your production management dashboards. Check schedules and capacity, avert bottlenecks before they occur, see subcontractor job status and more. And it's all in real time at a glance or a deep dive into granular data. See how plant floor is performing. More importantly, known if it's profitable. Okay, why you will use If you are getting profit from anything, then you will use. Okay, so it is profitable. Okay, and Vinapro production management software helps you in how it is helping. Okay, let me tell you, there are some points here. Streamlining the planning process, synchronize supply and demand, design and engineering collaboration, manage product and part traceability, reduce time to market, improved electronic collaboration with trading partners. So these are the uh, points you can have in a I can say it will very helpful. It will be very helpful. So let us discuss about one by one. Okay, what is a streamlined planning process? How it helps? So streamlined planning process, it helps for more efficient operations. Vinapro requirements planning uses projected demand and supply to assist you in planning and creating realistic production, purchasing and supply transfer schedules. It also defines capacity constraints and maintains optimal stock holdings in a multi-site and multi-warehouse environment. Next is synchronized supply with demand. So, smart MES. So, MES means Manufacturing Executive Execution System of Vinapro helps manufacturers compete in today's market. Planning manager, workforce manager and factory manager have been designed to help you increase output and reduce costs by automating your business processes and connecting your factory. Design and engineering collaboration. So let us discuss about the design and engineering collaboration also. How it will collaborate the design and the engineering. Okay. To improve efficiencies, Vinapro solution foster the centralized management and control of the product design process, while its comprehensive security, customization and multilingual capabilities enable you to provide tailored access to external collaborative partners around the globe. Next, I want to discuss about manage product and part traceability. So how you can trace your products parts. Okay, how you can manage the traceability of your product and parts. To ensure operational efficiencies and meet the critical compliance requirements, Vinapro produce traceability from material origin through manufacture to final destination. That means you can trace your product or any part of the product from the origin to the destination. Okay. Our lot traceability and serial tracking functionality afford full visibility to the origins, build and sales destination of products, providing the means to easily trace and analyze the source of defects should they occur. Next, I want to talk about the reduction of time to market. Okay, in industries that require customizable end products. Okay, now flexibility, speed and accuracy in meeting customer demands are essential. So Vinapro provides you with the tools in order to manage your business successfully, ensuring a healthy profit while staying competitive. Okay, so now I will discuss about the improved electronic collaboration with trading partners. How you can collaborate with the partners, trading partners. Okay, so for the production, it is very important to have a collaboration between the trading partners. So production management software from Vinapro enhances your ability to harness e-commerce technologies effectively. Software from Vinapro enhances your ability. Okay, now giving you the potential to transform your business and accelerate commercial success and growth. So these are the benefits of this using this module for your production management. Okay, so if you are looking for best production management software, then you must try our Vinapro ERP today. It is very much easy and cloud-based software. You can access and use our Vinapro production management software from any location of the globe. Initially I told you that you can use it in anywhere of the globe, any place, by sitting any place. Okay, so Vinapro is available in cloud-based ERP and in mobile apps also. Our mobile app is the best in class for manufacturing industry. To know more data, visit www.vinapro.com. So please subscribe our YouTube channel for more information about ERP videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the instant updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.